Subscribe now and I'll love you forever.
So, this is my first impressions of the Beats Fit Pro. If you know, I have tested out the Beats Studio Buds a while ago, and I was not a fan of them. Go check that video out, link down below. Then I also checked out the AirPods Pro, which are my daily drivers. I use them for absolutely everything because the AirPods Pro are phenomenal. I love them a lot. So this is going to be my review of the Beats Fit Pro, and the audio is also coming out of the Beats Fit Pro. So let me know what you think of the audio in the comments, but let's get into the review. Okay, so first off, this is not a full review. This is just my first ever impressions. My AirPods Pro are not with me. They're at home, and I just picked up these Beats Fit Pro, and I have the case right here. I haven't even put this case in my pocket yet. First impressions, this case is massive. It does not feel as premium as the AirPods Pro. They're both plastic, but I like the glossiness of the AirPods Pro. So it does still have a nice snap shut though. Cinematic mode. Anyways, so that is going to be the one thing. Next up, another thing about these that I am not a fan of is I hate the button. You press the button to start, play music, transparency mode, noise canceling, all of that stuff. And I found myself getting a lot of accidental presses, and that's so freaking irritating. Whenever I'm trying to adjust it in my ear and I accidentally pause the music or skip to the next track or something, like, that is the most irritating thing ever. Like, God help me, I want to punch a pillow. Yeah, so that's so irritating. That's going to be a thing that I'm always going to hate. I love the AirPods Pro with this, just a clicky stem, whatever. So that's another downside about this. But enough of the downsides. What are the upsides about this? Okay, for one, just again, first impressions. Don't have my AirPods Pro with me. This is not a comparison. That'll come later. The noise canceling and transparency mode are really good. Again, not compared to the AirPods Pro because I have not compared them hand in hand. Just first impressions, the noise canceling and transparency mode on these Beats are awesome. I really like them. I really like the noise canceling. I just use it in my car and I really can't hear the AC when it's on. Transparency mode, it's a world of difference. With the Beats Studio Buds, it wasn't that big of a difference to me between the transparency and the noise canceling modes. So, take that with what you will. Everything is subjective in this video. This is just my opinion. Your opinion might be totally different. So the noise canceling transparency mode overall gets a thumbs up from me. And now, probably one of the most important features of a set of headphones is going to be the sound quality, and these sound phenomenal. I listened to a little bit of Taylor Swift's new album, listened to a little bit of metal, some podcasts, and just, about 5 minutes worth of listening, honestly. Again, first impressions. And sounds pretty good. It sounds great. I don't mind it at all. I like the sound. I love the bass. I am excited to compare this to the AirPods Pro and see which sound I like better. But these sound really, really nice. Now, whenever I use Apple Music, it shows a lossless audio is playing when I'm using the AirPods Pro. I don't know how true that is. It does not show lossless at all when I'm playing music with these headphones on. So that is another thing to keep in mind when you're trying to choose between the two of these. But aside from that, the noise canceling, transparency mode, sound quality is all phenomenal. And now, next up, we got the spatial audio. Spatial audio, it works. It just works. I've only tried it with Apple Music so far, and it works really good. Imagine how it's going to sound with watching Hulu and Netflix and stuff. And so I'm really excited to test these out more. These fit really nice. They sound pretty nice. They fit nice in the left ear. I like it. It looks good, but I hate the way it feels in my right ear. It wants to come out super easily. It's uncomfortable in the right ear. But that was also a big issue I had with the Beats Fit. I was adjusting this in my right ear, and of course, I clicked the side button, which stopped the video and started playing music. So that's irritating. So here's part 2. The fit in my right ear sucks. It sucked in the Beats Studio Buds. In the AirPods Pro, it doesn't feel as bad, nearly as bad as the Beats ones, but my right ear is just weird in general. The AirPods Pro are the only headphones, though, that stick in my ears. They stay and feel comfortable in my right ear. Nothing will ever beat how comfortable a headphone feels in my left ear, because for some reason my left ear is normal, right ear is not. But AirPods Pro gets a definite win, and that will be the only, probably the biggest reason why I would pick the AirPods Pro over these, in my case, is because the fit in the right ear is very important when I'm wearing both headphones. And if I'm working out or sweating and I drop a headphone because my right ear is just messed up, that's going to be irritating. And if I keep trying to adjust it in my ear and I keep hitting the button, it's going to bug me so much. But anywho, that is going to be my first impressions on these Beats Studio Fit Buds Pro. Beats Fit Pro. Yeah, let's go with that. Here's the case. Headphones. A full review compared to the AirPods Pro will be coming out probably next week after I have a chance to test them out. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you have tried these headphones out, if you like them. I got mine at Best Buy. Apple carries them. Probably Walmart. Probably anywhere. Anywho, have a great one. I'm Jake. This is shot on my phone.